Hey, Julie Reynolds here, and I want to teach you how to recruit 10 people in 10 days. And yes, I said 10 people in 10 days, but first you've got to make sure that you're connecting with them over on social media. And so let's talk about how to connect with people on social media. What is the best way to find your target audience, those people that you want to prospect, those people that you want to get to join your team, and or those people that you want to have buy your product, right? So the number one way that I have been teaching my team as of lately to do a blitz is to go through and look at hashtags. So first you want to find people. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to find people on social media. Hashtags are a fantastic way to connect with people because you're going to find other like-minded people like you, right? So let's say you're in the health and wellness space. One of the things that I'm teaching my team to do is we're really focusing on appetite suppressant. So you're looking at the hashtag appetite suppressant, or you're looking at the hashtag lose weight, or you're looking at the hashtag of eat healthy, right? So you go and find those hashtags, especially on Instagram. It's a little bit easier. You click on those and you find other people's posts where people are commenting on them, right? And so then what you're doing is then you are connecting with those people and you're sending them a message. Now, I call it the $1,000,000 messenger for a reason, because that is where you're going to have the most success is inside of your messenger, right? So you're connecting with those people and all you're saying very simply is, hey, I saw your post on, or I saw your comment on X, Y, and Z's post. It looks like we're, trying to accomplish the same thing. I have a whole channel set up around that as well. If there's anything I can do to help you, please let me know, right? Super easy, super not spammy. You're being a service to that person that's already looking for something because you've done their research and they're showing up on other influencers' pages. So that's one of the first things that I'm doing is I'm teaching them where to find people. Then the second thing you're doing is you're teaching them how to connect with those people and how to show up in Messenger, right? And then the third thing you're going to do is you're going to share with them some of the resources that you have personally created, whether it be a lead magnet, whether it be a short form video like a reel or a TikTok. You say, hey, I made this video. I think it might be helpful for you. So then you're providing value to them, right? And you continue to do that and you build that relationship because you want to work with people that you like, know, and trust. And so that is super important. And then when they're interested, you send them one of your product videos as well. When you're sending them those reels or when you're sending them, some of the information, then you can talk to them about the opportunity. You can talk to them about the products. I always personally like to lead with opportunity first. And what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to link for you right over here a video that I made on how I've recruited over 100 people. I'm going to post it right there because I really break down my steps on how I walk through the whole prospecting, um, the whole prospecting, video in there is how And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link for you right over here my prospecting video that I've made that really breaks down step by step by step how I walk through the process of showing them my opportunity, having them look at the video, how I do my follow-ups and all of that. So a step-by-step process on how I close it. So make sure you watch that over there. But then in the description of this video, what I have for you is I have for you how I recruit using YouTube as opposed to Instagram or Facebook. So if you're frustrated with Instagram, you're frustrated with Facebook, definitely make sure you check out my free masterclass on how I get sales and get business builders using YouTube. I'm going to link it right here for you so that you can check it out as well. But basically what it is it's marrying the process and divorcing the results, right? The more conversations you have, the better your closing rate is going to be. And so if you have a commitment to build, your business and you want to ask people to join your team, then you've got to be knowing your numbers and knowing that it's going to take maybe 100 conversations to close one, especially if you're brand new in the network marketing space. If you are a little bit more seasoned and you're better at sales, you're better at closing, you'll know that your ratio is a little bit higher, meaning maybe it's every 100 people, you'll close 5. So then you know that if you want to close 10 business builders, you've got to make sure that you're talking to about 200 people, right? So it's really about understanding your numbers and then reverse engineering how it is you're going to build those 10 prospects in 10 days, right? But I want you to know that you've got to have the systems in place because once you bring people into your business, you want to make sure that you have got systems in place to help them be successful. And so that is also important. You don't want to just recruit people as well. And I'll make another video on the systems that I have in place and how to launch a team as well. So make sure you subscribe to this video so that you never miss out. But basically, the 3 steps is to find them on social using the hashtags, then connect with them, offer some sort of value video that you have created that's also going to help them, and then 3, you turn those new friends into potential business builders, into customers, because you're nurturing that relationship inside of Facebook Messenger and you're answering and helping them solve their problems. So I hope that this was helpful. Welcome to another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss out.